G'day guys, Sam here from TradetoProspa. APTOS, the one that we've been looking to go long. Just following up from the previous video, we've hit our target pretty much there, and now we're looking, and we have overextended just a little bit with the 1.618, and now we can see how it's pulled back, and now it's really finding this level as a resistance. If you look at this structure, it is a nice strong move. Is it a wave 3 to 4? It does look like it, and a wave 5. However, that's it's not the story's not finished. If Bitcoin is to still continue on, then we can look at this as another phase. We should get a pullback, and that could be our wave 3 to 4 as well. And then we reassess this from another perspective. And if I was to do it, um, I'll make this my 618 level there, and I'll just put some extensions. Let me see how this works out. Then we have this level here, so that will mean that that will be our target roughly. That's one of our targets, and the other targets there, which is around there as well. So if this was to continue on, and this is our 3 to 4 on the bigger picture, which looks like the case, because look at this, it's a strong stride, and when you see that, it tends to be strong 2 to 3 move. Yep. So that is our 0, 1, 2, 3. So I'm looking for a bit of a pullback. I've taken profit. I'm going to look for another entrance. So just taking a little bit of profit. If this pulls back nicely a bit more, so that's one level there. It's not much, but it could pull back a bit more. It could range a bit, and then so I'm still looking for that level, and if it moves strong, then this is our 3 to 4. Sorry guys, but this is how it's going to look like, and then continue on to this range here, which is the topping off, and that is crazy. The way if that's to move, very similar to optimism. So I'll do that next. But yeah. However, if this is wave 3, we can do A, B, C, and it could be a deep one or a shallow one. So it is a hard one to work out. So if we expect the A, B, C as usual, um, this one was a nice one. So that's why I'm thinking it's a 3 to 4, and that's wave 5. But this move just told me that it's not. This is not 3 to 4. So this could be 3 to 4. Yep. It might just be a small move as well. I'm looking for the signs of a topping off structure. It's not there. We don't have it. However, if we were to look at some tools, indicators, that's not the one. There is a bit of bearish divergence in the volume, but that doesn't mean anything. At this point, this could just swing back and go up more. So it's coming down, but you can see how that there's a big volume surge, and it might be, unfortunately, it's not what you can use to gauge how high it goes, because just because the volume drops off, it doesn't necessarily mean it's going to drop off as well. Interesting enough, you saw this capitulation volume, and look at this accumulation. It's taken a while. So this move is significant, and we were into this. I wish I bought more then at the time. That's my entry with this breakout, and then we had, I think we called it out here as well. Bummer, really missed an opportunity there. That is now 120 something% move. So that's all I got for now. I'm still looking for new continual highs, as long as Bitcoin doesn't reverse very quickly. This week is going to be very interesting. say the least. SP500, if it goes above 4,000, and if I bring that out just quickly, where is it? Don't have it. The other aspect is, let me just talk about market cap. Market cap is also, I just shared this in the group, market cap is looking very bullish. It's broken out with the RSI on the weekly, and previous resistance is acting as support, and the question is, how high can it go? That's the thing. How much leg has it got? No one can tell you that. We are looking to close on the previous week high, so let's see how this weekly closes. We've got 2 days and a bit. So let's see how this closes off, and then we can continue. Then we can say that, yep, the trend, the weekly trend is just being changed. However, that's our high, and that's our lower low, lower high. Ideally, that's flat. So ideally, we've got to pass this, and that might do. If it's a bull market, we will see an inverted head and shoulder type of stuff, and that's what we need to see. We need to see it break this previous weekly high, because the trend is still down. Until we break this level on the total market cap, we haven't changed trend. So we might just hit that and then get a rejection, and we might continue downwards, guys. There's no reason why. This could just be a fake out. However, if we close above it, this is an ugly area, to tell the truth, because we've got a few weeklies as a resistance. So even if we get that, it could still be resistance all the way through. Anyway, I'm going to leave it at that, guys. Hopefully that gives you some things to think about. But at the moment, definitely looking for continuation. Cheers.